What you need to say, every move you make, every thought you have is paid for with a molecular currency called ATP. But how does your body earn it? It cashes in a sugar molecule, glucose, through a process called cellular respiration. Let's follow the money. The journey begins in the cell's main fluid, the cytoplasm. Here, a process called glycolysis, literally sugar splitting, occurs. It's the oldest trick in the biological book, used by nearly all life. It doesn't need oxygen, and it quickly splits one glucose into two smaller molecules, netting a tiny profit of 2 ATP. Think of it as breaking a big bill for some pocket change. If oxygen is present, these smaller molecules head into the cell's powerhouse, the mitochondrion. Here, the Krebs cycle finishes dismantling what's left of the glucose. Its main job isn't to make ATP directly, but to load up high-energy electron carriers, like tiny rechargeable batteries. The carbon atoms from the original sugar are released here, becoming the carbon dioxide you exhale. Now for the main event, the Electron Transport Chain. This molecular assembly line is built into the inner mitochondrial membrane. The charged-up carriers from the Krebs cycle arrive and drop off their high-energy electrons. This energy is used to pump protons across the membrane, creating a powerful gradient. These protons then surge back through a microscopic rotating turbine called ATP synthase, which churns out a massive windfall of about 34 ATP molecules. And the crucial final step? Oxygen. It swoops in to collect the used-up electrons at the end of the line, forming water. Without oxygen, the entire system clogs and energy production plummets. This is why we breathe. When you sprint and can't get enough oxygen, your muscles switch to a less efficient backup plan, fermentation, which generates that familiar lactic acid burn for just 2 ATP. From a single sugar to powering our existence, this elegant cascade is the engine of life itself.